Hello, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll be doing a glowy, fresh makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I'll start by putting Rosewater Mist on my face, just to freshen up my face. And then after that, I'll just let it sit and then let it dry out. Followed by my moisturizer. This is the Celeteque Suncare Facial Moisturizer with SPF 15. I'll just get a precise amount and I'll just be putting it all over my face. So this past few days, this is my go-to look now. This is the Etude House Moist Full Super Collagen with SPF 33 PA++. This was given to me by Hesper. She also have a YouTube channel. I'll be putting her channel on the description box below or somewhere here on the screen. So I'll just be dotting this all over my face. She gave this to me when she left. What's nice about this is that it has SPF, so whenever the heat lights on my face, it's like my face is just like glowing from within. So this look, try not to do this during nighttime. This will not look good on flash photography. It will look like a ghost. And I also add, and sometimes if I still have time or if I have more time, I add this one from Bioderma. This is the Photoderm AKN Matte with SPF 30. This is their mattifying fluid. So if I want more glow, I add more of that. But today I'll be skipping that part. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15. And so I'll just let it sit for a while. I have a hate and love relationship with this product because at first I really don't like it because it tends to show reddish whenever I put it on my eyebrows. But now I've been starting to love this because it's really pigmented. If you don't put that much, it won't look reddish on your skin. So just be careful when using this product. By the way, this is the Makeup Studio eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. I really like the consistency of that eyebrow pencil because it's a little bit like waxy and buttery at the same time. It keeps my hair on place and it really lasts the whole day. So now I'll be blending it all out using my fingers. And this is really an easy look to recreate since you don't need to use brush while doing this. You can use either CC cream, BB cream. If you have flawless skin, you can also skip the BB cream or CC cream part and just use sunscreen. So now I'm trying to let myself get used to using sunscreen since my skin would benefit in the long run. Because I'm not getting any younger. I'm in my mid-20s now, so I need to really take good care of my skin. And soon I'll be sharing you guys what product I use to help me minimize my pimples. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade 001 Transparent. So basically, I'll be concentrating the product under my eye. And also putting some on my eyelids. And the rest, I'll just dot it all over my face since I put concealer. Be proceeding with my In the Balm of Your Hand palette. And I'll be using the Instain Long Wearing Staining Powder Blush in Argyle. This one, the pinkish one here. So it's really long wearing because I've tried to use this like twice already. during my work, and it really lasted for 9 hours. But as the time passes by, it's like it appears more natural looking on your cheeks. That's what I really love about it. So I'll be putting on some here, and I'll be focusing it on the apples of my cheeks just to give it a more youthful look. So now I'll be proceeding in curling my eyelashes. Next product that I'll be using is this one from Maybelline New York. This is the Master Drama, the Nudes collection in the shade Rose Pearl number 20. I'll be putting it on my lower lash line just to give it a more awake look. See the difference? And if you have that extra time, you can also do contouring or highlighting, and even putting on some eyeshadow. And also don't forget to put setting spray on your face. I'll be using this one from Milani. This is the Megalast setting spray, prime, corrector, and set, 16-hour wear. So I'm really assured that my makeup will last the whole day. So I'll just spray it 3 times on my face, and I'll just let it dry. And this will also give you that more natural looking, since it will set the makeup on your face and it will remove all the powdery residue that you have on your face. I'll be using this one from the Balm Cosmetics Meet Matte Hughes in the shade Charismatic. You can use any nude lipstick that you like, as long as it won't overpower the red lipstick that we're putting on the inside of our lips, of my lips. Then after that, I'll be proceeding with this Cinnamon Spice 917B from Wet n Wild. This is the Megalast lipstick collection. So I'll just be focusing it on the inner lip. Just make sure first that your first layer of lipstick is dry, and then you can just build it up to your liking. You don't need to use all of this product. You can use any product that you want or you're used to. I'm just showing you how to do the techniques, and so you can recreate this look. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye! I have a hair.